Just an opportunity to have knowledge in something we've never done before.
Right.
So we went to the best. I've always learned that you find the best and then you mimic what they do, right?
Right.
So that's what we done.
The opportunity to connect, to build relationships, to try and elevate, because that's what we're trying to do and we're trying to grow. So we need to be around people that actually can help us do that.
Well, we've got a huge hospitality background. It's the same type of hospitality that you take care of people in a restaurant that you would here. We care about people. The experience is the focus in our restaurants.
The relationships again, and providing that safe place where people can come and enjoy themselves and commune together. That's something that we enjoy seeing. That's something we enjoy being a part of, and that helps us give us the warm and fuzzies.
Mastermind group is a group of people that excel at whatever they do. So it's hard to find that in our daily life, right? Or hard to place yourself around those type of people, and you're only as good as the people you hang around, right? So we're trying to put ourselves around better people.